Dear children, today we have to learn in standard 8 subject social science chapter number 9. The name of the chapter is Freedom Movements of 1857. Already dear children, we are learning about the spirit of the revolt and leadership, and already we have completed the main three leaders Delhi and Bahadur Shah Zafar, Kanpur and Nana Saheb, Bihar and Kunwar Singh in the previous video. Now, next is Jhansi and the great warrior Lakshmi Bai. The queen of Jhansi, Lakshmi Bai, was a great warrior. Who is the great warrior of the Jhansi, dear children? Then the queen of the Jhansi, Lakshmi Bai, was a great warrior. Her adopted son was not accepted by the Britishers. What happened there? Her adopted son was not accepted by the Britishers as the heir to the throne. That is why she joined the revolt. She was one of the most skillful leader of the revolt. Who is the most skillful leader of the revolt, dear children? Then Queen Jhansi Lakshmi Bai was one of the most skillful leader of the revolt. She had prepared a platoon of the women to fight against the Britishers. They fought bravely against the British. According to the British officials, Queen Lakshmi Bai was one of the greatest woman leader in the revolt of 1857. Dear children, who was one of the greatest woman leader in the revolt of 1857? Then you have to write down the answer that Queen of the Jhansi Lakshmi Bai was one of the greatest woman leader in the revolt of the 1857. Next, they have given about the commander-in-chief Tatya Tope. The leader of the Kanpur is Nana Saheb Peshwa, gave the responsibility of leading the army to a strong and the brave leader. What happened there, dear children? The leader of the Kanpur, Nana Saheb Peshwa, gave the responsibility of leading the army to a strong and brave leader, Tatya Tope. Tatya Tope accepted the commander-in-chief. Tatya Tope accepted the commander-in-chief post for the army with full willingness in order to free the Kanpur. After that, within the 2 years, Tatya Tope became a famous name in the whole nation, in the world of the revolution. He freed Kalpi. Nobody had engaged in so many wars as a Tatya Tope did. Above all, even the Indian soldier from Bareilly, Varanasi, Allahabad, Agra, Azamgarh, Gorakhpur in North India joined the revolt of 1857. It means this is the revolt for the freedom. Certain incidents and glimpses of the revolt were seen even in Ajmer, Nasirabad, Abu, etc. In Rajputana and Gwalior, Mandosar, Indore and Dhar, etc. in central part in the India. Scattered but brave effort of the revolutionary were seen in Satara, Kolhapur, Savantwadi, Nargad, Garhwad, etc. in the southern part of the India. It means, dear children, they have to given the different part of the Indias where people and the different kings are also participate into the revolt of the 1857. Now, revolt of 1857 in Gujarat. Dear children, now they have given about the information of the revolt of 1857 in Gujarat. The revolt started in Gujarat initially in Ahmedabad by 7th Battalion of Army in June 1857. What happened there? When the revolt started in Gujarat, the revolt was started in Gujarat in Ahmedabad by 7th Battalion of Army in June 1857. But it was cured immediately. Incidents of the revolt were seen in July month in the area of Panchmahal, Dahod, Jalod and the Godhra. With the help of common people, soldiers captured the offices of the company. Now what happened there? The but at the end they were defeated by the government group of soldiers. The Naikada people of the Panchmahal continued the revolt almost 1 year against the British East India Company. The head of Anand in Kheda district, namely Garbatdas Patel, collected 2,000 people approximately from the various castes like Koli, Naikda, etc. Along with Jivabai Thakur of Kanpur has started the revolt. To stand against the Britishers, he was supported by Malaji Joshi and Krishnadas Dave. At last, the support of Garbardas Patel got to court and he was made to stand in the front of the cannons. He was thrown away from the country to Anmar as a punishment and he died there. The people of Chanda village, which is 16 miles away from either, accepted the leadership of Nathaji and Yamaji and joined the revolt. There was a camp of the British soldier in the Nandana village, which was between Okhamandal and Baradi. The Navy Commander-in-Chief Donovan became the impatient and on early morning of the 4th October he reached the Bay of Bengal with his soldiers. In front of him he was a fort of the Bet Dwarka. He started the numerous firing on the fort. Wagir female found a way. They wetted their mattress and camped on the fort. They told the males that you fight with the weapons and we will take this firing on these wet mattresses and cool them. This was done by Wagir females. Such an act has never happened in the history of the world. It means, dear children, we can say that male as well as the female was doing the war against the British East India Company. And that's why we can say that such kind of act has never happened in the history of the world. This was an incident when the female, without thinking about their life, they made a cannon firing act of the Britishers a failure once. It was equivalent to the bravery act of the Rani Lakshmibai. They all were Lakshmibais and Lakshmibais of the Gujarat. With the help of the local people, the revolt incident took place in the area of Patan, Keralu, Pilodi, Mudedi, etc. of the North Gujarat. In December 1858, Tatya Tope stayed in the Panchmahal of the Gujarat with his soldiers for the 15 days. What happened then, dear children? In December 1858, Tatya Tope stayed in Panchmahal of the Gujarat with his soldiers for the how many days? For the 15 days. Due to rushing of the British soldier behind him, he had to elope towards the forest of Banswara, and after the Tatya Tope elopes towards the forest of the Banswara. Thank you, dear children.